everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're all doing really well, and a big warm welcome to you all. I create videos every week to help you look stylish and feel the very best version of yourself, and I give styling advice on maximizing your everyday wardrobe. This video is all about showing you how to make a big difference to your style and elevate your overall look just by combining the right pieces with the right style tips to create timeless and classy outfits. And I'll be showing you what it is that makes these things look timeless and why they work, why they look and feel classy, so that you can adapt them to your own wardrobe too. And I have paired with a very special company for part of this video, who I've worked with before and I absolutely adore. You may have spied these fabulous little sparklers in my ears and at my neck, and they're from a company called ENQUIRIES jewellery. I'm so excited to tell you all about these in just a few minutes. Just think of, your gift list for yourself, or maybe a special person, holiday season coming up, Okay, I'm going to start with what I think is one of the most important things to wear if you want to look timeless and classy at any age. Well, it's timeless and ageless too. And that is wear a tailored coat, ideally a camel coat. And here is an example which I think looks way more expensive than it was. And that's really because of the classic style and the fact that it's a camel coat in my look one. I really love this style combination of a classic coat, a silk blouse, and a pair of jeans, especially dark jeans. It's a perfect balance, I think, between a casual element with the jeans and a smarter, more polished element with the silk blouse. And then, of course, topped off with the most stylish, timeless and classic type of coat, the camel coat, which, makes anyone look fabulous, to be honest, I think. Because even the most basic camel coat elevates any outfit way up, even if it's just with jeans like this one. Now, this camel coat is from Mango, so it's for a wool mix coat. It's really reasonably priced, I think. It's a lovely, long, elegant line with a significant structure, significant kind of weight. Not heavy exactly, but it's quality when you put it on. Now, you can wear it with the lapels down, as I've done here, or buttoned up against the cold, and it's belted, which also adds to the structure. Now, I think this is the ultimate timeless look, actually. A camel coat, a luxe blouse, and a pair of dark jeans, and you could just about go anywhere. Wearing a high quality fabric like this blouse in silk is always so luxe and timeless, but you don't have to spend a fortune. I had this blouse in my wardrobe, which I originally bought from Zara actually over 20 years ago, but it's lasted and it stood the test of time. And that's why wearing timeless, classy pieces are not so costly in the long run actually, as they tend to last longer and you get so many more wears out of them, and you will always look good. Now, if you're not up for what I call serious heels, a pair of low-heeled slingbacks are a good option. They give lift without the sort of toppling effect that we can get with real heels. They're much more practical than them, I think. And they're also fabulous for this time of the year too, and can be worn perfectly for festive occasions. And then all you need is a great pair of sunglasses like these ones, Yves Saint Laurent, or anything that looks really jazzy, and off you go, looking effortlessly cool and timeless. So my second tip to look timeless and classy is to incorporate one or two luxe pieces. Now, you can do this in many ways, of course, but one of the easiest and simplest tricks to look timeless, classy, elegant and expensive is to wear high quality classic accessories, and none more so than jewellery. And for something extra special, have a look at these stunning pieces from ENQUIRIES. ENQUIRIES is a high-quality, sustainable diamond jewellery company. They're based in Antwerp, Belgium, which is the capital of diamonds, basically. Everything is handcrafted in Antwerp by teams of skilled craftsmen, so you know it's quality. And that's one of the great things about ENQUIRIES, I think. Each piece, you can see, is created with real artistry and expertise, timeless grace, like this necklace that I'm wearing. Now, this is the Lena, and actually it's been worn by quite a few Hollywood stars, and well, me, and it could be you. Lena is 6 diamonds set in 14 karat gold. It's just the most beautiful piece. The clarity of the diamonds is literally stunning. It's actually one of ENQUIRIES' best sellers, and to be honest, I'm not surprised. It really is absolutely beautiful. So Lena, like all Idyl's diamonds, is made from traceable, sustainably crafted, lab-grown diamonds. So, you know, clean luxury at an accessible price for real diamonds, because Idyl has no markups in the price. Now, this sort of high quality honestly will last you years, and I think this is the real meaning of timeless and classy, and high quality at a more accessible price point too. So the way that Idyl works is that you buy in a modular way. So for example, this necklace is made up of a fine gold chain, which you can attach many different pendants to and create different looks. So you don't actually need to buy a new chain every time. Everything is interchangeable. So here also I have the solo. So classic, so timeless. Honestly, a single diamond like this is the ultimate timeless piece, I think. So, so classy. And this comes in different sizes. This one is the Solo 5, so the lab-grown diamond Solo 5. They do other numbers as well, other sizes. So all you need to do is to attach it to the same chain and you have a completely different look. And the same thing works for the earrings too. You start with the base piece of an exquisite single diamond stud in a gold setting, 14 karat gold setting. Now you can wear it like this, singly of course, or you can add different attachments to create new looks, like these. Now these are called the Luna here, like the moon. Breathtaking, really, so romantic. You can just add the attachment to your single diamond stud and voila, you have created a whole new look. Or you could go with this one, equally exquisite. This is the Live, which is a delicate trail of 4 fabulous diamonds climbing and sparkling up the ear. Totally modern elegance, I think. And you know, one of the things that I really love about Idyl, apart from making me feel like a queen in all their wonderful diamonds, is that I love the personal touches with this brand. Every order is accompanied by a handwritten card, like this one from Ornella. She actually writes them herself and she heads up the company. Such beautiful personal touches. And the beautiful gift wrapping, all done for you. Just beautiful, exquisite. Now they've got free shipping and returns and a 2-year warranty and certificate for your diamonds as well. So I have discounts for you ladies, 2 actually. First of all, use my links to get 20% off during the Black Friday promotion, as well as a free luxury goodie. And this 20% off is automatically applied at the checkout, but you have to go through my links. Now, I will put them underneath the video for you. They're the things that I'm going to show you today, and also some other things that I've got as well for you to choose. Now, after Black Friday has finished, you can still get a discount by using my code Deirdre10 to get 10% off everything on the Idyl site. Okay, let's move on now to my third way. No, I've got 4 fingers, 3 fingers. Third way to look timeless and classy. And my third tip is to mix high and low. So here in my look 2, I'm showing you this because I think the tailored trousers, for a start, always give off a classy, polished vibe. They don't have to cost very much, but they just look a step up from the ordinary. And in fact, these ones are from Marks and Spencer's, so very cheaply priced. Then, if you add a blazer, which I've got over my shoulders, it just ramps up the whole sophistication and confidence of the look of the outfit, especially if you choose it in a classic colour like black. And another element that's classy that don't have to cost a fortune are loafers. They're so effortless, I think, and they combine a slightly casual air with refinement and are so timeless. They can be styled with so many things as well. And I think one of the key things that they look amazing with is with tailored trousers. Somehow less predictable, not to say more comfortable, than heels. So the high level here are clearly the diamonds, but the whole outfit doesn't have to be so luxe. You don't have to spend so much on all the clothes if you have a high and a low mix. So this Karen Millen shirt that I absolutely love is in the sale at around £50, and I think very smart, sharp, but feminine at the same time, and definitely classy. And it's the one that I'm wearing here too. Absolutely love it. It's really refined in its feel, and I think it would easily ramp up any bottoms that you decided to style it with, even jeans. So just before moving on to my fourth thing, I would love it if you subscribed, as it helps the channel and it's free. Yay! We have a great community of fabulous ladies. And you know, if you watch but don't subscribe, you may well miss a lot of what I share and my styling tips. So do make sure that you hit that subscribe button so that you don't miss out. Okay, on to my next way to look timeless and classy, and it is by wearing my number 4 monochrome. I really think that for the ultimate put together, timeless and uber classy look, go for monochrome, or near monochrome anyway. You know, when you style up an outfit with colours or tones from the same colour family, there's a strong cohesion about the whole look and a real refinement as well. So have a look at it here in my look 3. I just love the combination of soft sweater with this lovely flowing silky skirt. It's the contrast in the fabrics that make it feel elevated and special. And of course, they differentiate the colours a little bit with a different texture. Also, cashmere adds a real sense of luxury, but you know, it isn't always as pricey as you might think, but it does add softness and warmth, whilst the silky skirt adds movement and life to the outfit. You know, you can swish about in it. And this skirt is very reasonably priced, but you know, because of the colour and the monochrome styling, of course, it looks way more expensive than it was. And it's the sort of outfit that really does look timeless, classy, and I think really elegant. Now, on my shoulders, I've just popped on a trench coat, and again, it was a very cheap one from H&M. You may have seen it in my other videos, and this adds another layer to this monochrome look. But you know, the colours don't have to be exactly the same in this sort of a look, so you know, don't worry about that, just roughly in the same colour family. And you know, thinking of monochrome, it would be wrong not to mention black, wouldn't it? So my 5th point is all black. Okay, nothing is quite like an all black look, is it? For a truly sleek and timeless look. I mean, that iconic queen of style, Audrey Hepburn, was often seen in all black, and that has to say something, I think, you know. So elegant, so stunning she was. So here I'm wearing a classic black turtleneck, which is a real staple that never goes out of style, with a pair of black cigarette trousers, another staple that is so versatile and classy, I think. Now, I've chosen black loafers from H&M here, you know, the same ones that you saw earlier, another nod to Audrey Hepburn style, and another item which I think will really last and last. So timeless, this type of footwear. But you might think, that's a lot of black, Deirdre. And you'd be right, of course. So I've lifted it a little bit with the black bag with the gold chain, which adds texture and light, as well as the gold buckle in the belt. Now, you could, of course, add chunky gold jewellery too to further add some lift, and that would be an option. But I've gone for my Idyll diamonds here just to be a bit more classy, a bit more timeless, because I really think this sort of look could be worn at any age and at any time, really, from maybe the 1950s onwards, right up to now and into the future, and still look wonderful. I would love your views, ladies, on what you think makes us look timeless and outfits that could be worn from decades ago right up to today, very successfully. Okay, number 6 is something else very, very important, the right fit. I really think the right fit is one of the keys to looking more classy and timeless as well. Avoid anything that doesn't fit you properly. You know, whether it's too tight or it's too sloppy, either way, it will tend to look less classy, less timeless, and less expensive actually too, than an item that fits your body well. Now here, I'm wearing a fabulous find from New Look. Very cheap if you don't know it, but just look at this jacket. It is so glam, but in a classy way, I think. And then I've teamed it with black fitting trousers. Who says black and brown don't go, eh? I think they do. I could see myself going out in the evening in this look actually, and I'd still be warm too, which is always a bonus. And of course I've lifted the whole look as well by the cream sweater. Now, for the right fit, a key thing is to find yourself a good tailor if you don't have one, and it can really make the world of difference. And tailors are pretty reasonably priced too. At least here in the UK they're pretty well priced. So I've got a lovely lady who is really skilled, and I see her very regularly because I'm only 5'4" and she often has to take up pairs of trousers and jeans for me. But you know, it's worth it to have the right fit and the right length. Another little tip to looking as though something fits well is to choose pieces with pleats and tucks. Little secret there, because that way it looks more as though you've had it made for you. It looks like it's been, you know, fitted in for you. And you know, when I say the right fit, I don't mean that everything has to be body skimming. As you can see from this outfit, I mean, the jacket has a fair bit of volume, but the whole look is balanced out by the fitted trousers. So something that fits well always looks so much better and gives that air of polish. So for my final point is neutral palettes, my number 7. Now, using a neutral colour palette is a really easy way to give yourself a chic and put together look. And I know that we tend to think of neutrals in the winter especially as, you know, dark greys, black, I've just talked about of course, but it's not just these colours that make up neutrals. How about this, as in my look 6? burgundy and dove grey, I think, are a gorgeous little combo. I think they're feminine, but kind of grounded. This burgundy skirt is from Boden, which always produces high quality pieces. And it's the sort of item that will really deserve a piece of real estate in your wardrobe this winter. It's the on-trend colour, of course, burgundy for 2024-25, and it looks rich and wintry in a cosy way. So what I've done is I've added burgundy slingbacks to this, which will be perfect for a wintry evening out, and this gorgeous baguette bag in dark burgundy from Marks and Spencer's. I really love this bag actually because I think it would go well with another lovely rich wintry colour too, which is chocolate brown. Always have to have a food mention in my videos because it isn't quite burgundy and it isn't quite chocolate, which makes it actually much more versatile. Now the dove grey sweater, also from Marks and Spencer's, and wool just lifts the darker tones really well, but you know, it isn't the immediate choice of, let's say, cream, which would also go well of course, but it's sort of slightly different. So I really hope that you've gained some inspiration from this video on the kinds of things to look for to create timeless and classy looks. You may well have something similar in your wardrobe to style up, so go and have a little look. I'm sure there's something there. I would love for you to share your own views about timeless and classy looks as well. Now we have a wonderful community of fabulous ladies on this channel, so do join in. And don't forget those fabulous diamonds. If you're looking for something for yourself or for a friend, a special friend, then look into my links and you get the discounts. So if you enjoyed this video, which I really hope you have, please do give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already subscribed, please hit that subscribe button, as we'd love to have you join our community. So I hope you have an amazing day, an amazing week, and I look forward to seeing you really, really soon. Lots of love. Bye.